and she look good, and her cooking good. These niggas wish they would, these niggas wish they could. She love Megan good, provided like Megan Thee Stallion. She get on top and you know she be wildin'. Grown ass woman, no childish. Got the bag in the drip, she be styling. Pack it back, take a trip to the islands. That pussy good, but it don't come with mileage. She not awesome, but yeah, she got powers.
Hey y'all, hey, it's your girl Danny Simone, the real Danny Simone, back with another video, and today we are cooking white chicken chili, y'all. I ain't gonna do no whole lot of talking, just pay attention and take notes. Now y'all have probably seen other people put their chicken directly in the crock pot and cook it for this recipe. I don't do that because I feel like when you put it in the refrigerator then take it out for leftovers the next day, it'd be mad liquidy and I don't like that. So I actually cook my chicken in the oven all the way through before I put it in the crock pot. That eliminates the unnecessary liquid and that helps seep the flavor in. Remember y'all, I don't measure any of my seasonings, I just eyeball them, okay? So make sure you season everything to your specific taste. But in this house, we like a little flavor, okay? Period.
little longer than a few minutes later. 20 minutes later.
Okay, y'all, so the kids are gonna be my official taste testers for the white chicken chili soup that I made. Y'all finally get to see both of them in the same room at the same time. Clap it up in the comment section down below. Thank you in advance. So I'm gonna give y'all these chips and dip as you please and let me know what you think.
All right.
What you think?
There it goes.
Already, really?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
You got it, boo-boo?
Yeah.
So what do you think?
I love it.
Well, yeah, it's definitely hot because it just came out the crock pot, but
That's actually so good.
it's good.
It's just hot.
So out of 1 to 10, what do you give it?
10.
Okay, now.
Solid 9.
Solid 9. Okay, I'll take that.
It's hot.
So y'all heard it here first. The kiddos gave it a 10 out of 10. So y'all make sure y'all make y'all some. It's getting cold outside. They calling for snow tomorrow. I don't know where y'all at, but I'm in North Carolina and they're talking about snow. I ain't got time for that, so I had to get prepared. All right, y'all, so we gonna end it here. Thank y'all for tuning in. Does it actually taste like nachos? Yeah, see, I told you. Anyway, y'all already know what I need y'all to do. I need you to like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, turn your post notifications on so you never miss an upload and you never miss a community tab post, because as y'all know, I do post in my community tab quite often, at least once every 1 or 2 weeks. And per usual, make sure you leave me some comments in the comment section down below and let me know what other videos y'all want to see from me. I will see y'all in the next video. Bye, guys.